Alright, welcome everybody. Got some more stuff today. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alrighty, so first up we got some cable cutters. So as you know, I've been collecting cable cutters in anticipation for another showdown. I picked up a couple non-German brands, and I was surprised to find that there are no compact cable cutters made in the USA anymore. Klein makes one they call a compact, but it's actually about 8 inches. And I'm considering compact to be anything less than 7. So like this one's a 6 1/4. We'll see how these compare. Even got one from Japan to some of these German brands. So I did pick up the insulated one just because it happened to be on sale at the time I was looking at it. But this just has a different handle style, and the actual cutters are going to be the same. So we'll have to take a look at those. There's an interesting pattern on there. And to go along with that, picked up the Gedore ones finally. 8090-170 TL. So the Gedore ones, they had one that was a little bit more compact than this one. But I think this one matches closer to the other ones that I picked up. And they didn't have one without the spring, but in some of the brands you can get that feature. So I'll just have to make a note of that. So that's the Gedore candidate cable cutter. I think that these are actually made in Germany, not in Austria. So this might be a rebrand. Just a small little thing. I picked up this Wiha 4mm hex key. This is for an upcoming project. Replacing one that went with a power tool, and you guys should be seeing that video shortly if you haven't already. So that's the Wiha 35120. It's a nickel plated 4mm short arm hex key. So I picked up a couple of really tiny mallets because I wanted kind of to compare some of the brands out there, because they all kind of look a little different. And I picked up this halter mallet some time ago. This looks a lot like the one that I believe Wiha offers. So I'm not sure if one is rebranding the other. But obviously the ones I got here are a little bit smaller. And this one is the Wera one, made in the Czech Republic, 100 grams. So these are both about, this one's a little bit lighter. This is for doing really fine work. If I get enough of these together, I might do another detailed comparison video on them. So we'll just see. I don't really have a lot of soft phased hammers. I wanted to get these ones. These are a little bit harder because these ones on the halter here, they're replaceable if you take this cover off, but these are a lot softer. And we got our number 2 bit. One final thing. So this right here is a brand new product from Wera. It is a flexible socket rail. So I wanted to check this out, try it out for a little bit before I get one that actually has sockets on it. It has like the new style that they use, where it's basically like an 1/8 of a turn. So just a quick demonstration. So yeah, that's for, you put that on a wall and then you can stick that anywhere. But you could also stick this on the side of one of their Wera-to-go cases as well. So we'll have to see how this holds up. Try using it for a little bit. So here's my Wera-to-go case, and I guess you can just pop that on. I guess you could take this carabiner off if you need to, but you can put your socket rails on the outside of your case now. Take them off as needed. Alright guys, well I think that's going to wrap it up for this one. Not just pretty modest haul this time. Just get a couple things to fill the gaps for some upcoming tests and restorations. But it's going to wrap this up for this one, and I'll catch you guys next time.